Today we'll talk about execution phase, implementing documents, and administrative instructions. The contents will be introduction, execution phase, implementation documents, administrative instructions, event day execution, post-event activities and documentation, challenges, technology integration, role of continuous improvement, and conclusion. Introduction. As the event planning journey progresses, the spotlight shifts to the execution phase, a pivotal stage where plans transition from concepts to reality. In this academic exploration, we delve into the nuances of the execution phase, focusing on the implementation of documents and administrative instructions. This critical juncture transforms meticulous planning into tangible actions, guiding event planners through the intricacies of bringing an event to life. At the core of the execution phase is the event run sheet, a comprehensive document that acts as the heartbeat of the event. This detailed schedule outlines the chronological sequence of activities, specifying the timing, responsible individuals or teams, and any specific requirements for each task. The event run sheet provides a structured roadmap, ensuring that every element unfolds seamlessly and according to plan. Administrative instructions form the backbone of the execution phase, guiding the operational aspects of the event. These instructions encompass a range of details, from logistical considerations to safety protocols. For instance, instructions might outline the procedures for participant registration, the handling of audio-visual equipment, and emergency response plans. A well-crafted set of administrative instructions ensures that everyone involved is aligned with the event's operational framework. Execution phase. The execution phase is not without its challenges, and the ability to adapt and implement contingency plans is crucial. Unforeseen circumstances, such as technical glitches or last-minute changes, require event organizers to be agile and responsive. Having contingency plans embedded in the administrative instructions allows for quick decision-making and problem resolution, safeguarding the overall success of the event. Transition from planning to action. The execution phase marks the turning point where the carefully laid plans of the pre-event phase transition into actionable steps. It's a dynamic stage where event planners move from conceptualization to hands-on implementation, transforming ideas into experiences. Implementation documents and administrative instructions. At the core of the execution phase lie implementation documents and administrative instructions. These serve as the operational backbone, providing a structured framework for translating plans into tangible outcomes. From event schedules to operational guidelines, these documents guide teams through the intricacies of event execution. The execution phase of events hinges on the effective implementation of documents and administrative instructions. These tools provide the structure and guidance needed to transform plans into reality. From the meticulously crafted event run sheet to the practicality of participant lists and badges, each document contributes to the orchestration of a seamless and memorable event. As technology continues to evolve, leveraging digital tools enhances the execution phase, while a strong emphasis on clear communication and contingency planning ensures resilience in the face of unforeseen challenges. Implementation documents. Operational landscape event schedules. Central to the execution phase is the event schedule, a comprehensive document outlining the chronological sequence of activities. Event schedules serve as the heartbeat of the event, ensuring that every aspect unfolds seamlessly. They include details such as session timings, breaks, and transitions, providing a roadmap for the event team. Event run sheet. At the heart of the operational landscape is the event run sheet, a dynamic document that outlines the chronological sequence of activities during the event. This document provides a minute-by-minute breakdown of tasks, specifying who is responsible for each and any specific requirements or considerations. The event run sheet serves as a real-time guide, allowing organizers to stay on track and make informed decisions as the event unfolds. Logistical plans. Logistical plans dive into the nitty-gritty of operational details. These documents outline logistics related to venue setup, equipment requirements, and vendor coordination. Logistical plans are a vital tool for ensuring that the physical aspects of the event align with the envisioned experience. Logistical plans. Implementation documents extend to detailed logistical plans, encompassing aspects such as transportation, accommodation, and on-site setup. These plans delve into the nitty-gritty of how materials will be transported, where participants will stay, and how different event spaces will be configured. Clear logistical documentation ensures that everyone involved is aware of the operational intricacies, reducing the likelihood of bottlenecks or confusion. Technical requirements and setup instructions. In the modern event landscape, technology plays a crucial role. Documents outlining technical requirements, including audio-visual setups, lighting configurations, and IT infrastructure, provide the blueprint for a seamless technological experience. Setup instructions detail how different technical components will come together, ensuring that presentations, performances, and interactive elements run smoothly. Team assignments. Assigning roles and responsibilities is a crucial element of the execution phase. Team assignment documents delineate who is responsible for each task, fostering clarity and accountability. These documents contribute to a well-organized and coordinated effort among event team members. Emergency protocols. Preparedness is paramount, and emergency protocols are integral documents in the execution phase. These documents outline procedures to be followed in case of unforeseen circumstances, ensuring the safety of attendees and the efficient handling of unexpected events. Participant guides. Participant guides are implementation documents that serve as a comprehensive resource for attendees. These guides include schedules, maps, contact information, and any pertinent details participants need to navigate the event successfully. By providing clear and accessible information, participant guides contribute to a positive and organized participant experience. Administrative instructions. Guiding the event team clear communication channels. Administrative instructions act as the guiding compass for the event team. They establish clear communication channels, ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding event objectives, timelines, and responsibilities. Clear instructions minimize misunderstandings and contribute to a cohesive team effort. Protocol for changes and adaptations. In the dynamic landscape of events, adaptability is key. Administrative instructions provide a protocol for handling changes or adaptations on the fly. Whether it's a last-minute adjustment to the schedule or unforeseen logistical challenges, these instructions guide the team in navigating changes with agility. Communication with stakeholders. The execution phase involves constant communication with various stakeholders. Administrative instructions detail how and when to communicate with sponsors, vendors, and partners. Clear guidelines ensure that communication is consistent, timely, and aligned with the overall event strategy. Coordination across teams. Large-scale events often involve multiple teams working in tandem. Administrative instructions facilitate coordination across teams, providing a shared understanding of goals and processes. This coordination is essential for the seamless execution of diverse tasks, contributing to the overall event success. Safety procedures. Safety is a paramount concern in event planning, and administrative instructions outline detailed safety procedures. From emergency evacuation plans to first aid protocols, these instructions equip the team with the knowledge and guidelines necessary to respond effectively to unforeseen circumstances. Having a well-documented safety framework ensures the well-being of both participants and staff. Participant management guidelines. Clear administrative instructions provide guidelines for managing participants throughout the event. This encompasses registration procedures, badge distribution, and information dissemination. By establishing standardized procedures, the event team can ensure a smooth and organized experience for attendees, contributing to overall participant satisfaction. Documentation standards. Administrative instructions establish standards for documentation, ensuring that records are accurate, consistent, and easily accessible. This includes guidelines for recording participant information, documenting incidents, and maintaining a comprehensive event log. Standardized documentation practices contribute to post-event analysis and improvement. Event day execution. Turning plans into reality, implementation of event schedules. On the day of the event, the implementation of event schedules takes center stage. Event planners and teams adhere to the meticulously crafted schedule, ensuring that sessions start and end on time. Breaks are well-timed and transitions are smooth. The event schedule becomes the living blueprint for the day. Team coordination in action. Team assignments transform into real-time actions as each team member fulfills their designated role. The coordination established in the planning phase materializes as teams work seamlessly together. Clear team assignments contribute to a harmonious and efficient execution process. Emergency preparedness. The execution phase is a time when emergency protocols may be put to test. Whether it's handling unexpected technical issues, weather-related challenges, or unforeseen incidents, event teams rely on the established emergency preparedness guidelines to respond promptly and effectively. Post-event activities and documentation, post-event reports. As the event concludes, post-event activities commence. Post-event reports, a crucial component of the execution phase, document key metrics, attendee feedback, and areas for improvement. These reports serve as valuable insights for future events, contributing to a continuous improvement cycle. Evaluation of execution. An essential aspect of the execution phase is evaluating its success. Event planners assess how well the event schedules were adhered to, the effectiveness of logistical plans, and the team's overall performance. This evaluation informs future planning processes and identifies areas for refinement. Documentation for learning. Documentation during the execution phase extends beyond the event day. It includes capturing lessons learned, successes, and challenges faced. This documentation forms a knowledge base for the event planning team, creating a repository of insights that can be leveraged for future endeavors. Reporting and analytics. Compile comprehensive reports and analytics to provide a quantitative overview of the event. This may include attendance figures, engagement metrics, social media reach, and any other relevant data. Analyzing these metrics helps in understanding the event's impact. Sponsor and partner appreciation. Express gratitude to sponsors and partners. acknowledge their contributions, and provide them with post-event reports showcasing the impact of their involvement. Building strong relationships with sponsors enhances the potential for future collaborations. Follow up with speakers and presenters. Reach out to speakers and presenters for feedback and expressions of gratitude. Establishing positive relationships with contributors fosters goodwill and can pave the way for future collaborations. Post-event social media engagement. Maintain social media engagement post-event. Share highlights, participant testimonials, and behind-the-scenes content. Encourage participants to share their experiences, creating a post-event buzz and fostering a sense of community. Documentation for future planning. Create comprehensive documentation for future planning. This includes a post-event report, updated checklists, and refined administrative instructions. These documents serve as a foundation for continuous improvement and streamlined planning in subsequent events. Challenges in execution and mitigation strategies, unforeseen changes. The dynamic nature of events may lead to unforeseen changes during the execution phase. Whether it's a sudden change in weather or technical glitch, event teams must be adaptable. Mitigation strategies involve having contingency plans in place and a responsive team ready to address unexpected challenges. Communication breakdowns. Clear communication is paramount during the execution phase. Communication breakdowns can lead to confusion and disruptions. Mitigation strategies include regular check-ins, well-defined communication channels, and protocols for conveying important information across the event team. Resource constraints, participant safety concerns, weather-related challenges, and stakeholder management issues all necessitate meticulous planning and responsive strategies. Inadequate team training can be addressed through comprehensive training sessions and continuous learning initiatives. Lastly, overlooking post-event documentation can hinder analysis and improvement efforts, emphasizing the importance of thorough documentation processes. By anticipating and mitigating these challenges, event organizers can enhance their ability to deliver successful and resilient events. Technology integration in execution event management software. Technology plays a pivotal role in executing events seamlessly. Event management software assists in real-time schedule updates, task tracking, and communication. Integrating such tools into the execution phase enhances coordination and provides a centralized platform for managing various aspects. Live updates and notifications. The use of technology allows for live updates and notifications during the event. Whether it's schedule changes, announcements, or emergency alerts, technology enables instant communication with the event team and attendees, contributing to a well-informed and responsive environment. Audience response system. Incorporating audience response systems such as live polling and question and answer tools promotes participant engagement. Attendees can actively contribute to discussions, providing real-time feedback and enhancing the interactive nature of the event. Wearable technology. Wearable devices like smart badges or wristbands offer personalized experiences for participants. These devices can facilitate check-ins, track attendance, and enable personalized content delivery based on attendee preference. RFID technology. Radio frequency identification technology simplifies event logistics by automating tasks like access control, cashless payments, and tracking attendee movements. This enhances security and provides valuable data for post-event analysis. Live streaming and on-demand content. Live streaming capabilities enable organizers to reach a global audience, while on-demand content allows participants to access sessions at their convenience. This flexibility accommodates diverse schedules and time zones. Social media integration. Integrating social media platforms enhances event visibility and participant engagement. Attendees can share their experiences, event highlights, and connect with each other, contributing to a dynamic online community. Data analytics and insights. Utilizing data analytics tools during the event provides organizers with valuable insights into participant behavior, engagement levels, and overall event performance. Analyzing this data in real time allows for on-the-fly adjustments to enhance the event experience. The role of continuous improvement, learning from experiences. The execution phase serves as a rich source of experiences and learnings. Continuous improvement is rooted in the ability to reflect on these experiences, both successes and challenges. Post-event activities, evaluations, and documentation contribute to a culture of learning within the event planning team. Iterative planning processes. The insights gathered during the execution phase fuel iterative planning processes. Event planners take lessons learned and apply them to refine future planning schedules, implementation documents, and administrative instructions. This iterative approach ensures that each event builds on the successes and learns from the challenges of its predecessors. Conclusion. Bringing visions to life through execution. In conclusion, the execution phase of event planning is the dynamic bridge between meticulous planning and memorable experiences. Implementation documents and administrative instructions serve as guiding lights, directing teams through the operational landscape of event execution. Event schedules, logistical plans, team assignments, and emergency protocols form the backbone of a well-orchestrated event. The execution phase is not without its challenges, but with strategic planning, clear communication, and adaptability, these challenges can be navigated successfully. The integration of technology enhances execution efficiency, providing real-time updates and communication channels for the event team. Post-event activities, including evaluations and documentation, extend the value of the execution phase beyond the event day. They contribute to a cycle of continuous improvement, ensuring that each event becomes a stepping stone for refining future endeavors. Real-world case studies underscore the impact of effective execution through documentation. Whether it's a conference, product launch, or community event, the principles of clear planning, communication, and adaptability shine through as key drivers of success.